O is any point inside a rectangle ABCD. Prove that OB square plus OD square is equals to OA square plus OC square. You can see this is a rectangle ABCD. O, inside this rectangle O is a point. Okay. Now we have to prove that OB square plus OD square is equals to OA square plus OC square. So whatever is given, write it. O is any point inside rectangle ABCD. To prove OB square plus OD square is equals to OA square plus OC square. Construction through O, draw a parallel line. Okay. So we know that in rectangle AD is parallel to BC, and we have drawn a parallel line PQ here. So now let us prove our result. Okay. See, we know that in a rectangle, all angles are right angles, means angle A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to D, all are right angles. Okay. So if you see this figure, here it is a right angle. Okay. And PQ is parallel to BC. This is also right angle. If you see, PQ is parallel to BC. So PQ is parallel to BC. So you can see that angle B plus angle BPQ, this angle BPQ is equals to 180 degree. How? These are co-interior angles. Okay. So we know that angle B is 90 degree. So angle BPQ will get 90 degree. Okay. Similarly, we can see that angle C plus angle CQP is equals to 180 degree. These two angles, you can see that this is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. Okay. So co-interior angles. These are co-interior angles. CQP is equals to 180. We know that angle C is 90 degree. So CQP is also 90 degree. When this is 90 degree, this one also 90 degree. It means BPQC is a rectangle. Okay. And this one also is a rectangle. ADQP is also a rectangle. So we can say that APQD and BCQP are rectangles. Now in triangle OPB, we can say that, see, this is triangle OPB. If this is 90 degree, this is hypotenuse. So OB square is equals to BP square plus OP square. Okay. Now similarly you can say that, in triangle OQD, you can say that OD square is equals to OQ square plus DQ square by Pythagoras theorem, and here also by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So similarly you can see in triangle, now we are taking this triangle ODQ. No, sorry. OCQ. In triangle OCQ, you can see that this is 90 degree. So OC square is equals to OQ square plus CQ square. And in triangle, this triangle ABO, in triangle OAB, this is 90 degree. So OA square is equals to OP square plus AP square. So let's name all these equations. Add equation 1 and 2 will get OB square plus OD square is equals to BP square plus OP square plus OQ square plus DQ square. These are all by Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, we came to this result. Now see, OB square plus OD square. See, this is a rectangle, so opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So in place of BP we can write CQ, and in place of DQ we can write AP. Okay, now CQ square, you can see that CQ square plus OQ square is OC square. So let us write it together. And AP square plus OP square, AP square plus OP square is OA square. So write it OP square plus AP square. Here we have to write that BP is equals to CQ and DQ is equals to AP. This we have to mention because these are the sides of rectangle. So for this we are writing CQ square plus OQ square. You can see CQ square plus OQ square is OC square, and OP square plus AP square is OA square. This is what we need to prove. Okay, hence, so we can write it, hence proved. 6. In triangle ABC, angle B is an acute angle and AD is perpendicular on BC. Prove that AC square is equals to AB square plus AC square minus 2BC into BD. So you can see that this is a triangle ABC in which AD is perpendicular on BC. So this angle is an acute angle. Okay, so whatever is given, write it. In triangle ABC in which B is smaller than 90 degree means B is an acute angle and AD is perpendicular on BC. To prove AC square is equals to AB square plus AC square minus 2BC into BD. So AD is perpendicular means these are two 90 degree angles. So let us see in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, this is 90 degree. So opposite to this angle is side AB. So this is hypotenuse. AB square is equals to BD square plus AD square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so this is your equation 1, and now same thing we can see here also in triangle ACD. Okay, in triangle ACD you can see that this is 90 degree. Opposite to this angle is side AC. So AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square by Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square, equation 2 by Pythagoras theorem. Same reason. Okay, now you can see that we have got these two equations. Now with the help of these we can prove the required result. AC square is equals to AD square, and for CD you can see we can write BC minus BD, BC minus BD whole square. Now see, AC square is equals to AD square. Now we are applying here simple identity A minus B whole square. So this will give you BC square plus BD square minus 2BC into BD. Identity used is A minus B whole square is equals to A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay, now you can see that AC square is equals to, here you can see that AD square plus BD square is AB square. So in place of this we can write, first write it together, minus 2BC into BD. So for AD square plus BD square is equals to, this is AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. This we have got from equation 1. From equation 1, AD square plus BD square is equals to AB square. So this is what we have to prove. See here, AC square is equals to AB square plus AC square minus 2BC into BD. So here we have proved AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD.